Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download all files from Google Drive at once. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open up a new tab and you're going to just type right here Google, right? Basically in the Google, what you're going to do, you're going to be able, you're going to make sure that you logged in with your account first. And then what you're going to do next, click on your avatar icon at the top right. And then what you're going to do, you're going to just click manage your Google account, right? In the managing your Google account, what you're going to do, you're going to just search right here for download, right? And basically what that means that you're going to download your data. So go ahead and click on it in the search results, and then basically you're going to see all the apps related to Google, the alerts, arts and culture, assignments, calendar, Chrome and all that. Just uncheck mark all of these apps related to Google, and then focus on this one thing, which is the Drive, right? Basically what you're going to do next, you're going to just hit next for the sake of this video. And if you want to transfer this file via email, Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box, that's up to you. And here, if you want to export once or export every 2 months for 1 year, you can do that as well. And here, select the file type, zip or TGZ, right, in that case. And the file size, if you want it to be 2 gigabytes or 10 gigabytes, it says right here, exports larger than 2 gigabytes will be split into multiple files. If you're comfortable with that, click right here to create an export, and then basically it says right here they are creating a copy from that 44 product. So I'll turn on the count if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.